In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an engaging flash effect to your video using CapCut. Whether you're just getting started in video editing or looking to build on your skills, this tutorial will help you achieve that dynamic, professional-looking flash effect that can add a punch to your projects. First, let's begin by importing your clip. Once you have your video opened up in CapCut, you'll want to load it into the timeline. Now, if you're new to this software, the timeline is your workspace, where you can see all the components of your video laid out and make precise edits. Just drag and drop your clip onto the timeline to get started. Next, you need to find the exact moment in your video where you'd like to place that flash effect. Typically, this is a peak moment, such as a beat drop or a significant transition in your project. You want to ensure that this flash aligns perfectly with your key moments to maximize its impact. So play your video through to locate that perfect moment. It might take a couple of tries to determine the ideal spot, but take your time here because this is crucial for timing. Once you've pinpointed that perfect moment, head over to the transition menu. You can find this by looking at the upper left part of your CapCut interface. Transitions are one of the simplest yet most powerful tools to enhance your video's flow. And CapCut makes them easy and accessible. In the transition menu, you'll find a variety of options. Scroll through until you see a flash or white flash option. This is a popular choice because it gives a sharp, clean, and instantaneous effect, which pairs beautifully with music drops or high-energy moments. Now that you've selected your transition, the next step is syncing it perfectly with your chosen moment. This is where your timing becomes essential. Jump back to your timeline and adjust the position of the flash transition so that it aligns precisely with the music drop or highlight in your clip. Bear in mind, precise placement could make all the difference in the fluidity and professionalism of your final product. You might need to play through it a few times, just tweaking it a frame or two here or there until it feels just right. And there you have it. Your video should now have that eye-catching flash effect synced perfectly to your timing, adding just the right touch of drama or excitement to your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring, and I'd encourage you to explore further with different types of transitions to see what kind of creative effects you can achieve. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see what you create next.